basketball. You betcha I'm back. It's the Daily Trainer, ready to hit a new gear for the new year, and I'm ready to get back to the grind. So I hope you're ready to get right there with me. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to get right back into the drills that you're oh so familiar with. We're going to start with our series of layups, and those layups are easy, right? We got our regular layup. We got our jump stop layup. We got our inside hand layup. We have our reverse layup with the inside hand, and then we have our reverse layup with the outside hand. But don't forget those layups that are also going to help you come across that key when there's a lot of traffic and there's a lot of reaching. You're going to pound that basketball up, bring it over their hand, finish on the opposite side with the inside hand, and then you're going to finish on the opposite side with the left hand. And then you're going to do that same thing on the other side with that same regular layup, jump stop layup, inside hand layup. You got your reverse with the inside hand, reverse with the outside hand, and then you're going to come across that key once again, either putting it over their hand or even tucking that basketball and finishing that layup. Okay. Then speaking about layups, we're going to get into some more layups. Okay. You're going to drive from that baseline. All right. And once we drive from that baseline, we're going to counter back and we're going to finish our layups coming right back down that lane. Okay. Then we're going to go across, the key and finish that. And then we're also going to make a move where we come back down the lane, whether it's a crossover through the legs, whatever that is. Okay. Whatever you see on the screen, that is what we're going to do as far as moves. So you're going to copy that. And all these sets are going to be 2 times each. Okay. So you're not going through a whole lot of reps, but you're getting a variety of finishes in with the dribbling as well. And make sure you do 2 reps on that layup series as well. Okay. Now, coming back, we're looking at floaters. Okay. We can't forget the float game. It's so important when those big guys come. Okay. But we got to be able to make it without using the glass, because sometimes we just don't get that velocity on the ball to get it to the glass. And then there's sometimes where the big is going to wait under the rim for you, and you can go as high as you want off that glass and make it to where no matter how high they jump, they can't get it. And you're hitting it off a spot to where it's not too much for you in regards to the height of the basketball trying to go into the rim. All right. You're going to go 3, no glass, and then 3 with the glass on the right side, 3 in the middle, 3 with the glass and in the middle. And then you're going to go 3 again on the left side with no glass, and then you're going to hit the glass again. All right. Then you're going to get on that baseline, and we're going to get into some postseason shape. So you're right in the thick of things, right in that mid-season where we kind of get comfortable. We don't want to run as much. Body's a little tired, playing 2 to 3 games a week instead of the tournament games where we're playing 4 in 1 week. And so our body's getting a little bit tired because these games are a little bit more intense. The crowd is bigger. So we're going to run that suicide, or you can call it a liner, whichever one you want to call it in regards to the names. And we're going to go, remember, from the baseline to the free throw line back, half court and back, other free throw line and back, and full court and back. Okay, make 2 free throws and then go and get you some water. All right, we're getting back to it, and we're going to get all around the world with these jump shots that we're going to shoot. You're going to use a little bit of the glass, then you're not going to use the glass at all, but we're working on our touch and we're working on our mid-range jump shot. It's going to be stationary, so it's really good warm-up when it comes to shooting jump shots. Okay, that's one thing that we tend to forget is we need to warm up before we just go out and shoot shots. All right, you're going around the world. Remember, you're at the block to start or in that area. And then you're going to go hash mark to hash mark. You're going to go inside the key on one side. Then you're going to go on the other side. Then you're going back to the hash marks all the way down. And then you're going all the way back around. You're going to make 3 at each spot before you can move to the next spot. Then you're going to shoot 1 free throw just to solidify your around the world. Okay, you're only going to do that 1 time. Then we are going to shoot bank shots. Okay, the bank shot is easy. You just got to find that target. Nice soft touch. You're going to do 5 on the left side, 5 on the right side. Real quick, real easy. Don't worry about the levels of where you're going. Just find a comfortable spot on the floor to shoot that mid-range banker. Okay, then I want dribble pull-ups, mid-range. Okay, we're going to do our 3-cone drill, and we're going to do dribble, pull up, mid-range, and then we're going to go our 4 spot. Okay, so after we do the mid-range with our 3 cones, we're going to set up the 4 cones, and then we're going to go to 2 cones on the elbow, 2 cones on the baseline. And we're just going to dribble to those spots because those are familiar spots that the defense tends to play off of a little bit and gives up those areas. So we want to make sure we are pulling up at the elbow, pulling up on the baseline, and then same thing on the other side. We want to make a total of 8. Okay, so we might be running around a little bit if we're not making shots, but that's okay. Okay, so we're looking at our mid-range there, and we just want to make sure, okay, we are focusing on our balance, our rhythm going up into the shot, and then because we're dribbling, we want to work on our pickup. Okay, our pickups are so important, and that tends to make us miss a lot of shots when we're moving. So we just got to keep that in mind, all right? Don't forget, if you don't make shots, rebound your miss and put it back in. You got to play a game within a game in order to stay in shape and always be aware and not think so much about your mistakes. Okay, so that is the 2 drills that we're going to do there for the mid-range off the dribble. And then we're going to shoot free throws, 5 of them real quick. And then you have running again, which is another liner. So you're going to do that real quick. And then we're going to get to the last piece of what we're going to do today. Okay. All right. Now we're going to dribble just a little bit, just a quick stationary dribble, get that blood flowing again after that water break. And then we're going straight to 3s. All right. So the dribbling that you're going to do just to get that blood flowing again, you're just going to do crossovers. You're going to get through the legs and through the legs back. Then you're going to alternate through the legs, and then you're going to go through the legs cross, and then you're going to go crossover through the legs. So you're doing all of those stationary, keeping it simple, keeping everything in front of you, snapping your dribble, snapping your crosses, and you're going to do these for 20 seconds each. Okay, so it'll be pretty easy. Moving, just stationary. Make sure you're pounding that ball, snapping that basketball, and keeping that at a good level. Keeping your eyes up just to, again, be aware. It's not so much that you have to keep your eyes up, but it's good practice so you don't have to look down and you can react to the defender when you get them to lean left or right. All right. And then we are going into some more shooting. All right. Our shooting is going to be 3-point shots. All right. 3-point shots will be first, not on the move. Okay. So we're going to shoot all the way around the 3s, like an around the world for the 3. As we shoot, we get our rebound, and then we kind of just take one step to the side and shoot again from the 3-point line. So we're going to cover all the areas of the 3. Then we are going to shoot on the move, where now we're going to run baseline to baseline and wing to wing. Okay. Now we're going to make 8 total shooting that. Now that's a lot, but it's 4 on the bottom, 4 on the top. You could be running for a long time. Remember, focus on each shot. Don't think about how many shots you get to take. What if you only get one? Okay. So you got to put that focus on these shots as if you're only going to get one shot. So many times we shoot shots and we think, well, we're practicing and we're working out and we're going to just keep getting up shots. So if we don't miss, it doesn't matter. It kind of does, because then you're not making your initial shot that you're taking when you're practicing. So it's a mental train as well as a physical train. So just keep the mental of every shot I take, I'm trying to make. All right. And then the last shooting that you're going to do today, all right, will be dribbling up and shooting the 3. You'll go on the right wing with just the right hand. You'll go middle right hand, and then you're going to go right hand dribbling up on the left side. Why not the left hand? Today, you just want to keep it simple. You're going to make 3 on the wing, 3 in the middle, and make 3 on the left wing. You're going to finish your workout with another liner. After the liner, you're going to shoot 10 free throws, and your workout is complete. Basketball, you. I can't thank you enough for coming by, even though I left you hanging for a little bit. But now I'm back, and we're going to get to it, all right? Plenty of episodes coming, some more information, some new innovative videos, and we'll see what happens and what questions you have then. And let's see if you can teach me something too. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what's going on. And let me know how your season's going if you've been working with us for a long time. All right, basketball, you. I will see you tomorrow. Remember, someone's always working. Are you?